Some people called me a freak, others just ignored me. I was bullied my whole life just because I could hear a dog whistle. Every now and then I'd black out from them. Most of the time I got arrested for attempted murder. They always let me go because of my blackouts. I was always curious why they never sent me to something. When I was 18, someone played the dog whistle at the party. When I awoke, everyone was slaughtered, is how you would put it. I killed everyone. I ran home out of fear and cleaned myself up. I turned on the TV to take my mind off of things. The news overrid all of my channels. People at a party, all dead. I shut off the TV and went to bed. I had a nightmare that night. I ran through the kitchen with a steak knife, and my killing sprees begun. I ran forward and dashed a line of about 6 people. I'm guessing they were drunk because no one else cared about what I did. They just laughed and laughed and laughed. Sprinting at a crowd of people, I got 2 with one swing and about 8 with a little twirl. Someone tackled me and I did some sort of flip like on the movies. Trust me, I wouldn't be able to do that again. I guess you'd say it was an accident. But I also got his chest. When I punched the last guy on the floor of the house, I stepped the phone that was making the whistle in. The knife went through the phone and into his eye. But the whistling was still coming. It was still loud and echoing through my head. My alarm clock went off. It was a Saturday. I shrugged off my nightmare like it was nothing happened. I turned on the TV. Of course, the news overran all of my channels. It was kind of annoying. Other than that, it was a pretty normal day. Dawn hit, and I fell asleep. I was in front of a glass door. A few people outside pointing and laughing. I went straight through the door. The door shattering, glass everywhere, and relentlessly stabbed the phone that was making the whistle. Then I bolted up the stairs of the house. In front of me was the school bully. He was the first one down. His 2 friends attempted to get me off of him, but he did a little twirl and got both of them. I'm assuming his girlfriend turned off the phone as I threw the knife in the back of her neck. I woke up and I screamed out of bed, but only to find the police at my door. I confessed to the murder, but they told me to sleep. They already caught the one who was responsible for the murders. They were here because I didn't show up for the school drug test that I was supposed to go to. After all, it was Monday. I just went along with them, thinking, I just got away with murder. Well, guys, that was Dog Whistle Creepypasta that was made by Wolf Striker, so please give him a like, and I'm just giving him a shout out because he gave me this nice story that I thought you guys would enjoy. I'm sorry that I've been gone for a long time. After all, I think it's been almost half a year since I uploaded a video. And I usually upload these videos on my Kindle, but the new updates that YouTube's gotten has kind of prevented me from being able to upload videos on my Kindle, which I really don't mind because I have this laptop here. But that's all I really have to say about that. And I'm trying out a new method of video, or not video, music so you can actually hear me and not let my voice be drowned out by the music. And I'm trying a new method of posting pictures so you can see them on here. I'm not going to be sure if it will work because it's the same site. But that's all I really need to clear up. Again, this was made by Wolf Striker. The music was made by Horror Piano. And that's it. Toodaloo.